And what?
Oh, am I vlogging for you?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Here, turn the air up. It's hot as a mofo in here. Anyway, guys,
How do you turn the air up? Like this? Do we do this?
Yeah. Don't do it all the way because it's going to burn out, guys. What is up, guys? We are on our way.
What is up, guys? We are on our way
to go get something to eat. Because we need a special treat.
And we can beat
I
our
like
meat.
my shirt. Muhammad Ali.
Do they like my shirt better?
No one cares about no video games. It's some foreign stuff. Hey, look, it's wine. Where's it going? Why did it stop?
Back up.
Alright, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. My dad's asking me a question, so I'll see you in a little bit. See.
I'm supposed to upload some shit on
Anyway, guys, I'm back.
And it won't work.
My dad pretty much just asked me. He was like, look. He was like,
Can I talk?
If you're going to the store, don't get bulbs because my front light is blown for my car, so.
Can I please talk?
I had to get bulbs, but I forgot to get them, and he went to go get them for me. Because he's a good daddy. I only have 13 minutes of recording, so.
I only have 5. I gotta delete shit. I was deleting my shit first.
I delete my footage at the end of every night. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go out and get something to eat. So yeah, I don't know if we're gonna go out to eat or we're just gonna grab something to grub with real quick. Grub. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Peace. You guys are probably like, why the hell do you go to the car wash every day? I gotta make sure my baby's clean. Here's the dreads.
Black guy dreads. Or my dreads. You know, one day I might actually get dreads just because.
Dude, one time I seen a video. This guy had opened this up. He opened up his door. It was right here. And the red thing came back and broke his door off. That's crazy.
Fuck. Imagine your windows just breaking off. It'd actually be cool to get. You can take another. Which one does he have? The colorful one. Which one?
It's called Tricolor.
Tricolor.
It's like $30 extra a month. I don't know. I just use the basic stuff.
So I'm wearing.
BMW in front of us. Ready?
Well,
I don't think you guys can see now. Seeing it. Look at that! Woo! Now y'all can see the water being dried off.
Oh wait, no, it's just a damn sign.
What?
We were looking at the sign and then.
No, the BMW was right there. There's legit a car that close next to me. It's crazy. Alright, ready? And it's gonna push me off.
No.
And put that bad boy in drive. And we're off.
We're not gonna be able to back.
Oh, there it comes. Oh, there it comes. Oh, he just got him a new Honda Civic. Oh, that's not a Civic, it's a Ford. Looks good though. It takes what? It takes 2 minutes to get through there. Just decent. So yeah, guys, we were driving this way, so I was like, you know
What are we doing now?
We'll find something to eat.
Yeah, I'm on a 30-day
turn
now. Until school starts.
So yeah, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna go on the highway now. Looks like the highway's right here. I'll see y'all. Peace. What is up, guys? I'm home. We got the vlog. Shit. Well, me and the bro, we went to McDonald's. We just had something to drink and that was it. But yeah, I'm gonna clean out this car. Well, since I quit my job, I had to get a car. Me and my dad, we got a car, so. Since we got a car, we're gonna clean it out and we're gonna sell it. So yeah, I gotta go clean this car. So I'll see you all in a little bit when I'm done. Boom! What is up, guys? I gotta work on the second upload for tomorrow for y'all. Wait, yeah. Well, I don't know how to explain it. The day you guys are watching this vlog will be tomorrow for me. And like I said, I'm double uploading. So I'm making that video right now. Sneak peek. And
Barely a sneak peek.
I know, they're not gonna see it. It's just a piece of paper.
But
anyway, guys. Come on. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to come back. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care, guys. Love you all. Peace.